Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about periods for COVID-19 patients. So far, little research has been done on the effect of COVID-19 on menstrual cycles. Some are reported changes like lighter periods, heavier periods, irregular periods, missed periods. It's possible that the infection itself could stress your body or disrupt hormone levels, leading to noticeable changes in your period. A 2020 study trusted source found that the lining of the uterus, endometrium, is likely safe from direct infection by the novel coronavirus. This is because it has lower levels of ACE2, the receptor that the novel coronavirus binds to, throughout the menstrual cycle. In 2021 again study trusted source assessed data from 177 menstruating people with COVID-19. Let's take a closer look at the results. Insights into COVID-19 and menstruation. Changes in menstrual volume were found in 45 out of 177 people, 25%. Out of these 45 individuals, 36 experienced a significantly lighter period while 9 had a significantly heavier period. People with severe COVID-19 were more likely to have a menstrual cycle that was longer than 37 days. Researchers found that 34% of people with severe illness had long cycles, compared to 19% of people with mild illness. When researchers compared menstrual cycle length during COVID-19 to an individual's normal cycle length, they found that 50 out of 177 people, 28%, had changes in their menstrual cycle. Most experienced a longer than normal cycle during their illness, although some had a shorter cycle. Lastly, researchers observed that 84% and 99% of participants had returned to their normal menstrual volume and cycle length, respectively, 1 to 2 months after having COVID-19. Some people may experience temporary changes in menstrual volume and menstrual cycle length due to COVID-19. The most commonly observed changes were lighter than normal periods and increased menstrual cycle length. Levels of sex hormones didn't differ significantly between those with COVID-19 and those without COVID-19. Most people return to their normal menstrual patterns 1 to 2 months after having COVID-19.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to my channel for more updates.